This is 4 years later with the VELCRO brand one wrap cable ties. Let's start talking about what I've liked about this item. Then we'll dive into some common questions I've seen. And finally, I'll share my opinion if I would recommend this product. Here's what I've liked. First is the durability. I use these all over to kind of help me organize and tidy up my cables. When I was looking to invest in some cable ties, I wanted something that was going to last. This product has served me well for over 4 years, and I still use them all the time. The second thing was the ease of use. When I was looking for cable ties, I needed something that was going to be easy to use. This product is simple and effortless with whether I'm using, cables, organizing cables around my desk, or you just take it right out and put it right through this loop right here, or organizing cables maybe around my home. This is super simple to kind of use and put together. It's simple and effortless, and I just really like it. The third thing is that it's reusable. I needed a product that was, I was going to be able to use more than once. The Velcro style cable ties were a great fit for my needs. Let's now discuss some questions I've been seeing. First, can these ties be used outdoors? Yes, they can be used outdoors. We've used them to secure some string lights to the railing on the front of our house. Second question, can these ties be used in data centers? The manufacturer states these cable ties are trusted and used by data and network centers across the globe. So, after 4 years of using these Velcro cable ties, I would recommend this product.